How to turn off conversation tone in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off conversation tones in WhatsApp. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop down menu simply select settings. Now here, once you are in your settings section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as notifications. Now here in the notification section you can see the option labeled as conversation tones at the top. So simply toggle off that option, and just like that you have successfully turned off conversation tones in WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.